Alright, y'all. I had to go get another battery. But here's one side of it. I'm going to see if I can put a line here. I'll show you what my welds look like in a minute. They're not pretty, but I don't think I'm getting too awful bad, especially for just being the second time I've done it. So, yeah, y'all can see right there. Let's see. All right. Here we go. Alright, y'all. Tell me what you think about this one. Look me. It's not as bad as I thought it might be, but that's not bad. That's after grinding. I'll go back over that in a little bit. There's that one. Alright, y'all. I'm back. I figured y'all wanted to see me setting this up. Right now, we're just going to do a little tacking. Oh, I see what I've done. I ain't got a dadgum ground on here. Hold on. I thought it did, but it didn't. I was wondering why my welder wasn't working. Alright. You need one of these hooked up. Alright. Alright, let's see if I can run a bead now. Okay, that wasn't worth anything. That one may not be too bad. Let's try another one over here. Alright, let's try this again. Alright, let's put another bead on, see if I can get this one right. Alright, let's grind this. See what it looks like. I welded it to my table. Didn't mean to do that. Oh well. What's a table for? Alright, let's strip this. There are these welds right there. What do y'all think about those? I know they're not real good yet, but you gotta admit it's a lot better than it was. And I guess I will go back over that, put some more weld in there, fill those holes in. Is that what you're supposed to do? I think it is. Let me move this out of the way. Do the other side now. Yeah, buddy. Get this side done. All right. Whoop, there we go. Whoop, wrong way. All right. Let's clamp this thing down so it don't move. All right, let's hit her on. Okay, people. What do y'all think about that? Seems pretty strong. Oop, I dropped it. Well, this is the cross that I was told to make. I am not finished with it, but y'all tell me what you think about it. Let me set it right here. Okay? Let me get these gloves off so I can hold this camera. Alright, let's zoom out. Alright. This is the cross I was led to make, I believe. I've still got to do some more work to it. I'm going to put some caps on the ends and clean them up. That'll help me a little bit more welding. I'm going to go back over that, I believe, put some more in there. That one there isn't too awful bad. That one there is kind of porous. And I got this one under here and down to there. I probably need to dress that a little bit. That actually got a decent amount, but she seems pretty strong. So I'm going to end the video off on that because I think I got a lot on it. So God bless you. Love one another. Get out and work on them, drive them. And I will talk to you later. This may wind up being 2 or 3 videos. See ya. Bye.